ready.
Yeah, okay. Really good too.
Nice. Sasuga. Any thoughts?
Pretty straightforward. Although it felt a little harder compared to cedar, but
450 on the Jonka.
Thank you.
So
You guys are like, we're like all in sync. Sequoia Sempervirens.
wow.
Sequoia.
The dust is really nice, really soft. So
it seems like it stays together. Like
Yeah.
I mean, it looks like a caterpillar. I mean, it's
Yeah.
a big old.
Yeah, really.
It's holding together good. That's one thing too I noticed about when we dump out the flaky ones, they just die.
Yeah.
Like
that's
even
true.
if it was red, it don't want to hold. But
Yeah.
yeah.
So, at 1313, Marcel did Redwood, Sequoia Sempervirens, Jonka 450, and he likes it. And the tribe is saved. Very important. Tribe is alive.
Yes, yours. 224.
So little time. We're definitely gonna run out. We're gonna run out. I really tried to overreach.
Date is the same.
It's so pretty.
Isn't it just?
Oh. I guess it'd help if I actually had the regular one.
What do you need?
Next up, or should
Water
we?
cast.
Okay.
These are ready.
These are done. Want me to get the
I
next
got
one
it.
already,
I
or
got it, Joey.
white fur?
Yellow socks?
White fur?
Wait for it. You're ready. A lot of it. Nice. What's he doing? As they say in Japanese. Of course. What's he doing?
そうですね。
もちろんですね。そうよ。そうですね。So, Andrew did Redwood, Sequoia Sempervirens at 13, 16, Jonko 450. There we go. It's official. Any notes, Andrew? Comments, questions?
I like it.
Redwood's very nice.
I like the way it holds together. It has a nice smell. It looks pretty. I mean, if you're gonna display making a coal, this is a good display set to do it with because it has all the. But just the way that the coal is holding together is so impressive to me for being so big.
It has a nice formation
Yeah.
of the coal. So Marcel,
Yeah.
you correct me if I'm wrong, but one of your first
Indeed. Yeah.
hand drill boards was Redwood.
Yeah.
You liked it?
Yeah.
It was very nice, right? It's a nice wood to
It is.
use. Something you guys might want to pay attention to with the woods is how far apart the growth rings are.
Mm-hmm.
So I think the farther apart the growth ring, the softer it's going to. No, it's going to be harder if the growth rings are closer together. So. Awesome. So I'm going to mark this. You guys went backwards. So this one's. This one is. There's the gig. And these are white fern.
Wait for it. Yeah.
Take your time.
So being in the Sequoia